Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have wireless headphones for your PC or for your phone or for your tablet or for your iPad. They are not very expensive. I bought these in local market in South Africa for 100 rand. So I just want to see what is the quality inside because the prices was so special and I bought two. It is made in China. So we're gonna open this box and then see what is the quality. So we open from here. What do we have inside? So that's how they look. We're gonna use this charger to charge it. So choose this type C. But anyway, that's how they look.